Let's walk through how to list a project on HUDU. When I open the HUDU app, I'll be brought to my home screen. This is where all the active projects live. To list my own project, I'll tap the plus at the bottom of the home screen. First, I'll add a title. This one will be called Mow My Lawn. This one falls into the lawn and garden category. And I'll add a short description. Now I'll hit continue. Next, I'll select the project address. This is where the project will take place. Next, we'll talk about time. By default, HUDU allows 21 days for bidding. If that sounds good to you, hit flexible date. If you need bidding to end before that, choose specific date. Maybe I'll choose Saturday, April 27th at noon. That means that bidding will close at noon on Saturday, April 27th. If I need the project completed during a certain time, say I need family photos taken Saturday between 10 and 11, I can choose selectable date range. For this project, I'll choose a specific date, noon on the 27th. Before a doer can bid on your project, they'll need to answer a few questions. These are the questions that HUDU provides automatically. You can select these questions or write your own. Do you have experience mowing lawns? Yes, I'd like to ask that question. Are you able to provide your own mower? That's a good question. Do you have reliable transportation to get to the job site? That's a good question. And are you available to mow the lawn on a weekly basis? That one doesn't really apply to my project, so I'll hit the X to get rid of it. I'll add my own question. Are you comfortable working around dogs? I'll select that question and hit continue. Next, a picture's worth 1,000 words. I'll add a photo of my lawn and crop it to make sure they can see what they need to see. I'll add a short description of the image. I don't think I need any other photos for this one, so I'll hit continue. Doers on HUDU are allowed to get a background check, but they're not required to. If you'd like a background checked doer to do your project, click yes. This may limit the number of doers available to do your project. It could reduce the number of bids, and the prices may be a little higher. If background checks don't matter for this project, go ahead and click a no. Since they're just mowing my lawn, I don't think background check is really necessary for this project, so I'll hit no. Now this is my project preview. I can see the date when bidding will end, I can see the date the project was listed, I can see the description, and I can see the location. The bidders will not be able to see the location until one of them is awarded the bid. Now I'm ready to publish my project. I'll hit Publish Project and OK. Project is published. I'll go to My Projects, As Lister, Active Bidding, and I'll see my Mowing the Lawn project. If I want to edit the project, I can hit the menu, Edit. Keep in mind that editing the project will delete all of the active bids on your listing and relist it. So don't edit a project unless you're willing to lose the active bids. If you do need to amend something, you can go into the questions and answers and say, my house has 2 dogs. Bidders should be comfortable with animals. If I want to delete the project altogether, I can hit delete. This is because of change in plans, and delete the project. If you have any other questions about listing projects on HUDU, please check out our knowledge base for more information.